Okay, so guess what? You know what an RSIM is? Yeah, an RSIM. I made an attempt to use one on this Sprint iPhone 5S, and it broke it. It's straight up just stuck on this screen. And now this phone, it's my alarm, okay? It's very important that this phone works, okay? And now, this little shit digger right here broke my phone. So I tried to use it with an AT&T SIM card because that AT&T SIM card right there, it's activated. It has data on it and it can make calls. And so I wanted to use that on this phone because this is my secondary phone. And it's locked to Sprint, you see. So I purchased two of these RSIMs, and why not just one? Well, one was going for like $7 and two were going for $8, so you know. Yeah. So, stuck at this screen. Now, it wasn't a jailbroken state, however, I have since restarted it a couple times, booted it up with no SIM card, installed a new SIM card, and I just don't know what's gonna go on. Actually, you see how it's connected to Wi-Fi right there? Okay, so I'm gonna power it off. Okay, I'm gonna unplug my router. And, let's see, it's the bottom one. Okay. I'm gonna turn this back on. Let's see if that made any noticeable difference. Now, if this doesn't work, here's what I'm gonna do. If this phone's, like, if the software is just completely broke, I'm gonna restore it in iTunes, sell it on eBay for like $60, and then, I'll use an iPhone 6 as my main alarm phone, you know? And I'll replace that iPhone 6. Oh, hey. Getting somewhere now. Why? Okay. Okay, let's go Xfinity Wi-Fi. Actually, no, back, don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna go turn on my hotspot, my Verizon one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, connect to that, see if it does anything. So it appears to be stuck at the same display, or the same screen that it was on. That doesn't work. Okay, yep. Well.
Voice alert. No SIM. Status bar item. No SIM. Voiceover off.
I'm gonna plug it into iTunes, see if it does anything. Okay, I got iTunes installed on a computer that actually wants to turn on. Okay, so I got the phone right here. And it's powered off right now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And now, it would be pretty hilarious if this... Oh! I thought it was turned off. This can be considered an issue. Trust this computer. Okay. Okay. I clicked trust the computer. So, continue? Come on. It's gonna give me something? Oh, shh. Okay. Is it gonna give me something? Welcome to your new iPhone. Okay, continue. Get started. Let's just stop that. Okay. Okay, this is great. Let's turn that off. Still not doing anything. Huh. This can be considered an issue. Okay. Now, an easy fix would most likely be to just click restore the phone, but it's running 11.3 and it's jailbroken, so I don't really want to do that. Well, I'll give it a minute and come back. So I left the phone just sitting on a charger for about a day now, and unfortunately it... Fuck me, man.
Voiceover on.
Of
Setup
course.
in progress.
Of course. Okay, anyway.
No SIM.
I don't care you don't have a SIM.
Voiceover on.
Well, that's quite unfortunate. I'm gonna try maybe restarting it a couple times. If that doesn't work, that can be considered a real issue. I was about to update it to iOS 12, but then I just started putting random SIM cards in that I've never even installed into the phone before. And, ooh, I got to this screen. Okay, well first, here's what, so, I have no problem showing the information because, like, I don't even know whose SIM cards these are. So I put this SIM card in this phone right here. Then I put this SIM card in it. I just kept on putting, like, random Sprint SIM cards in it, you know? And so, what I did is... I already said that multiple times. But it went to, like, activating your iPhone with the loading spinny thing. And so... And then it said this SIM card is not supported, and it gave me an option to press to try again. So I ejected the SIM card, and I was about to put in a Sprint SIM card, but then it showed iTunes. And so the computer at this point said, well, it still said the SIM card was not supported. So I unplugged it, plugged it back into the computer, and I got to this screen. So let's type in the username and password. And would you look at that? Ooh, that was a close one. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. That was really something right there. Okay. Now, I still want to use this RSIM, but I'm gonna do it on a phone that I don't care about. Okay. That was really something right there, you know? But this is just great.